Let's use one more short trick in relative motion. We have an equation of motion v is equal to u plus at. So when we consider relative motion, it becomes v relative is equal to u relative plus a relative into t. So in short, we can say v relative is equal to u relative plus a relative into t. So when we have two cars in a question, or one is car and another is motorcycle, they have different accelerations, they have different velocities. Then we have to find what is the relative velocity after some time. So suppose in a question they are saying two cars A and B have accelerations 1 meter per second square and 2 meter per second square. Their initial velocities 1 meter per second and 2 meter per second. And the question is find velocity of car B as seen from car A after 10 seconds. What is the velocity of car B as seen from car A after 10 seconds? Now here is a question. We will use V relative is equal to U relative plus A relative into T. So here relative means we are observing car B as seen from car A. As seen from car A. So we are finding velocity of B with respect to A. So that will be equal to initial velocity of B with respect to A plus acceleration of B with respect to A into time t. Now acceleration of B related to A, it is given B is given as 2, A is given as 1. So A, acceleration of B with respect to A, it will be AB minus AA, acceleration of A. So acceleration of B is given 2 and acceleration of A is given 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So relative acceleration of B with respect to A is 1 meter per second square. Similarly, initial velocity of A with respect to Similarly, initial velocity of B with respect to A will be UB minus UA. So initial velocities of A and B are given. So for A it is 1 meter per second, for B it is 2 meter per second. So UB minus UA will be 2 minus 1, which is 1 meter per second. Now we will substitute relative acceleration and relative initial velocity in this equation. So we will get velocity of B as seen from A, or relative velocity of B with respect to A, is equal to 1 plus 1 into t. Now in the question t is given as 10 seconds. So our answer is 1 plus 10, and that will be equal to 10 meter per second. So we are using the concept of relative motion